Okay, so the fridge temperature when I came home, 57 degrees. That's packed with ice. I did a YouTube on this model. And it says if the freezer's cold and the fan is running, then check these things. That's packed with ice. That's packed with ice. And that's packed with ice. So, there we go. I gotta unpack this with ice. Or somehow, I guess, turn it off and let that defrost. Okay, great. $700 worth of repair later. I got a jackass with this. $700 later, I got to do this. I got to troubleshoot this and make sure that's not clogged.